Hello, so I got a problem when I'm trying to install this Tailwind CSS on my VS Code. Uh, it's showing some problem like this, like it cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on this device or system, right? So let's see how to fix it. So I have a command for that. So the command is set execution policy unrestricted. Okay, so we cannot do that here. We have to do that on our Windows PowerShell. So let's open Windows PowerShell as run as administrator. Then type here the same thing, set execution policy unrestricted. Okay, so here execution policy is now changed, so it is asking me for to choose yes or no, so I'm choosing obviously yes, and now we can download it from here. Those are same thing, but here it is showing some kind of error for registry access, whatever. So now we can install it from here also, like whatever you want to install you can install it from Windows PowerShell directly also. So if I install it, so now it will install without showing any kind of error to us. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.